Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can forward the emails in your Gmail. So if you are getting some emails from particular email address or with the subject or with some particular content, then if you want to forward it to your email, then you can use this functionality. So you may have multiple Gmail accounts, and in that case you may not log into all the email address and you might miss out some important emails. So that is the case, it makes sense to have this forwarding enabled so that you get the most useful or relevant messages to the email that you use regularly. So for that, you can open Gmail in your desktop or in your laptop, and you can come to Gmail website homepage, and here you can click on this gear icon. This is the settings button. Now after clicking the settings button, then you can come to this tab, forwarding and POP IMAP. So here you can click and add a forwarding email address. So after you add the forwarded email address, it will ask you to authenticate with Google account, which is your current Google account. Then once it is added, then you will have to send that email. You will be asked to verify that email by clicking the verification link in that email. So once it is done, then you have these settings: POP download, status POP is disabled, then other information that you see here, which is not relevant. We just have to set this forwarding. Now if you come to filter and blocking, then you can set various filter. You may not want to send all the emails to that forwarded email address, only a selected email address. So the following email addresses are blocked. So if you want, you can block it. So you can create a new filter for forwarding that emails. So let's say you want to filter emails from, let's say, PayPal. Has the words PayPal in it. So now if I search for the ones which has PayPal in it, I can block it. So see, all these emails have PayPal in it. If I want, I can block it. So that is the blocking functionality that you see there. If I go to settings, I'll again show you, see this functionality. So if I say has the word PayPal, create filter. Okay, so now what is asking me what to do. If I want, I can forward it. So now this forwarding is not enabled. Once I verify that email address to which the forwarding is enabled, then I can come here and click on this. Okay, so once I say add the forwarding email address, then it will allow me to forward that filtered email to that particular email address. Now you can see I have verified that email which has to forward. So I have added that filter and I said forward it to this. So when I do that, you can see what happens. It's asking me to verify if it's you to continue. So I'll do that. So once I do that again, now you can see what does it do. So whenever you get an email and it has a match for PayPal in the subject, then it will forward to give me challenge or whatever email that I put. So this condition has been set. So now if I send any email to this email, then it will forward it to my other email. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.